doing? Hope you're doing fine. Today I'm going to solve math because I am bored. Let me just place my camera here. Perfect. Now I'm going to solve maths. Yes, here's my maths textbook. So I'm going to be solving this three sum. I'm going to be solving this sum 3. So I'm going to be drawing the diagram, don't worry. So, x, okay. X plus 25 degrees. X plus 25 degrees. 3x plus 15 degrees. Now I'm going to be teaching y'all how to solve this sum. Yeah. So here's the sum. Here is the math sum, and I am going to be solving this. So let's solve without further ado. Now, we have to find x. Okay, guys? I have to find x. Done! I found x! See, I'm so smart. I wrote x is here. See, I'm so smart. Okay, I'm just kidding. You don't find x like that, okay? You don't find x like that. If you write that on your math paper, then your math teacher... then your math teacher will nicely write an F there. If you wrote, oh, x is over here. So anyways, let's go back to actually finding x. So, as we can see that there are two x's here. 3x. Yeah, there's a 3x over here. If you can't tell, this is 3x. And x. So, we have, x and 3x. Now, 3x means x multiplied by x 3 times. Okay? 3x means x multiplied by x 3 times. Okay? Got it? Good. So, first of all, what do? We add all the x. Whatever x you see here, add that. And guys, if you see this 1x, if you see this one little x, then don't think that's 0x. No. If you see this x, then this x is equal to 1x. Because this x is equal to x multiplied by itself 0 times. So, if you see x alone here with no 1, then just know that that is 1x, okay? X is equal to 1x. Y is equal to 1y. 2y is equal to 2y. Understood? Good. If you do not understand, ask me in the comment section. So, I'm gonna solve math, and now, we have to add all the x's. Now, as we know, we can see 2x here. 3x and 1x. So, let's add 3x and 1x. 3x and 1x is equal to, this is 1x. Okay, if you see x alone, then it is 1x. Okay, good. Now, 3x plus 1x is equal to 4x. So, as we know, 4x, we got 4x. Now what? Now we add all the numbers. And what numbers do you see here? You see 25 and 15. You see the numbers here, 25 and 15. So, let's just add those numbers. 25 and 15 is equal to... yeah, 25 and 15 is equal to 40. So, now what do? Now, you have to write this. Now, you have to write 4x plus 40. But no, guys, you don't have to add 4x plus 40. You just have to write this here for decoration, okay? Because whoever invented math, they decided that you have to write 4x plus 40 here just for no reason. Just so the math sums can look more pretty, okay? Good. So, now that you got 4x plus 40... Now that you got 4x plus 40, now that you got 4x plus 40, let's see the angle. Okay? Now, Now here what do you see? Here you see a straight line, right? Now 3x plus 14 and x plus 25 is sitting on a straight line, right? But that straight line is an angle. And what are straight angles called? Straight angles are called straight angles. Straight angles measure 180 degree. So, and 4x plus 40 lies on this straight angle. 4x plus 40 sits on this straight angle. So, because of that, we know 4x plus 40 is 180 degrees. But, we found what 4x plus 40 is. Now, so we know that 4x plus 40 is 180 degrees now. But we found 4x plus 40. We didn't found x. We have to find x, not 4x plus 40. But how do we find that? Well, since 4x plus 40 is equal to 180, theoretically 4x should be equal to 180 minus 40, which is equal to 140. Now we know that 4x is equal to 140. But now what do we do with this information? We have to find x, not 4x. Well, since we know 4x is equal to x multiplied by itself 4 times, to get the value of x, you have to divide, you have to do the reverse. To get the value of x, you have to, instead of add x 4 times, divide x by 4. Now, x is equal to 140 divided by 4, which is equal to 45, 42. Okay, solving this, yes, and for now 35. So guys, x is equal to 35 degrees. See? And you all say math is so hard. Like, math is extremely easy. I don't know why you guys say math is so hard. Okay, I need an extra marker. Oh my god, yes! Now I have 2 extra markers with which I can teach you. Now, since we found x, let us find... Oh yeah, let us find y. We found x, let us find y. Because y is the sister of x. So it would be a sin if we wouldn't have found y. Now, I'm gonna be teaching you all how to find y instead of x. You just find y like x. So yeah. So find y in the figure. This is the figure. Can you all see the figure? No? Okay, good. Now let's just write y. X, of course, x is here. Stupid x. 150 minus x. 150 minus x. So guys, we know that y and x are on a straight line. And a straight line, and this is not a straight line. This is a straight angle. Straight angle is angle that is straight line. Is this a straight angle? Yes. Is this a straight angle? This is a straight angle. Is this a straight angle? This is a straight angle. So yeah, anyways, now that we had a short revision of straight angles, let us get back to the question. What is the value of y? Now, as we all know, y and x are on a straight angle. So y plus x has to be 180. Yes? I don't know how to solve this question, but I'll try my best anyways. So we know that y plus x is equal to 180, right? So now that we know y... That looks cursed. Now that we know that y plus x is equal to 180, we see here that 150, that this specific angle is 150 minus x. And this is a... Oh, this is a right angle. So this 150 minus x angle is a right angle. Right angle are always 190 degrees. So right angle measures 190 degrees. So we know that 150 minus x is equal to 90 degrees. Yes. So let's do what is 9. So we know that 1/5. So this is a wait. Yeah, this is the right angle, and right angle always measures 90 degrees. So we know that this specific angle, right angle shaped like a V, is measures 90 degrees. But how? But which number do we subtract 150 by to get 90 degrees? I don't know. So let's find out. 150 minus 50 is now we know that 150 minus 50 is 100, right? So 150. So 100 minus. Okay, yeah, 60. 60. 150 minus 60. Oh, x is equal to 60. Okay. Wait, guys, I'll teach you all how I found x in a minute. So we all know that this specific right angle measures 150 minus x, and x is over here. And this is a right angle. Right angle measures 90 degrees. So 150 minus x has to be 90 degrees because it is situated on a right angle only. And which number do we have to use to make 150 90 degrees? If you said 60, then you are correct. So 150 minus 60 is 90 degrees. So in that way, if you use your brain, then x is equal to 60 degrees. If you use your brain. So we found two angles, but what about y? Well, now we know. Well, now we got a hint. We know that y plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. But we have to find y. We have to Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. YouTube, don't ban me. Anyways, we know that we know that x is equal to 60 degrees. So y plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. But how does that help find y? I'll show you. So if you use your guys, if you use your brain, then you should know that y is equal to 180 minus 60 degrees if you use your brain. And what is 180 minus 60 degrees? 180 minus 60 degrees is 120 degrees. Wait, what is 180 minus 60? 60. Oh, right, yeah. 180 minus 60 is 120. So, 180 minus 60 is 120, and y is equal to 180 minus 60. So, we should know that y is equal to 120 degrees. See? Wait. Is that answer correct? Wait. Step 16a. 16a. 16. Is that answer correct? Wait. Is y equal? Wait a second. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Why? Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. Wait, what? Actually, 16A. Huh? Um, 16A, 16A4. Guys, y is not 180 degrees. Y is 30 degrees. Okay? So guys, y is 30 degrees, and I did not see the question properly. Guys, this is embarrassing. Y is not 120 degrees, y is 30 degrees. So yeah, y is 30 degrees, not 120 degrees. Y is 30 degrees, okay?